That hole, that's where my culvert runs out into the drainage ditch, the creek. What we're going to attempt to do today, pull the plug on the duck pond. Bull driving. Engage with the mighty beaver. When you engage with the beaver, you have engaged the worthy opponent. I have one last board in there I need to get out. And then I'll put a PVC pot through there and run it out to the middle of the pond. And he can't keep it stopped up. In the morning, all this will be a mud flat. And I scatter millet out here, about 5 acres. Most of the stuff in the back is already dried up, and I'll plant that today. Probably have to come back tomorrow to finish the rest of this. First thing that I do is get the water. Get my bowl running. Get the water off. And to see what we've done, I'll push those down in a moment. Got a pretty good flow going through a sand pot. I should be able to drain 99% of this today. And the beaver's gonna come back tonight, stop that up. When he does, he's gonna work right there all night. I got a 2-inch PVC line in there, but he won't come back out here. And so I'll keep a free flow of water going through. There's not much water coming in. Typically in September, October, we don't have a lot of rain. There's not a free flowing creek coming in, so I should be able to keep the water off of here with that PVC pipe, and the beaver doing what he wants to do over here till the millet gets up about 1 foot tall. Now I'll actually pull some pipes out and let the water come back up some. Try to keep the deer and the hogs off of it at that point. And then when duck season comes in, I come and pull my pipe out, break the dam again, put my board risers in, and let the beaver do what he wants to do. I have tried before to trap all the beavers and bush hog and plant with the tractor, and it's a never-ending battle. So now I let the beavers have it all year until one day, 1st of September into August, I'll come and fire a shot across his bow, and I'll do this. Get the water off, plant the Japanese millet in the mud, put the pipes in, and do it that way for about 6 weeks, and then I let the beavers have it again. It's not the way to do it, but it's the way I do it, and it works. This is primarily a woody hole. You can see the bushes out here. I'll show you when I plant. The other side of those bushes there is the open hole. That's the kill zone back there, the blind back there. But try to get all this planted. Perhaps I'll do that today. Alright, I've got some mud out here. Just scattering it by my hand. I'll do it by hand. Maybe pinpoint a little better. Exactly what I want to see. You see on this back end, I already have some natural stuff, which is good. seeded most of this. We have some stuff all out in here. You can see the effects of just what I did this morning. It's already pulling the water up in and out. I have to come finish some of this tomorrow and get the rest of the water off of it. This is not for the faint of heart. At all. Pulling the water on off of it. Back in. And just any little spot I see bare dirt, I'm throwing some seed out. And all that has to do is peg in the mud. And it will come up. You see there's a lot of food in here already. I'm wondering what I'm thinking right now. Is if there is a water moccasin in here somewhere. I don't know where he is, but he is somewhere. Okay. Throw you something. I'll throw it out. A little bit everywhere. You see Mr. Beaver's now come back here. This is the hole. This is where the killing takes place. Can't hardly see around the bushes there. He stopped all that. So what I'm gonna do today is break this. And tomorrow that should be mud. Put a little seed around it too. I still have some natural stuff all around the edge. A little deeper right there in the middle, but I should get it drained today. Reseed some of this stuff, and this will go on out my pipe pretty early in the morning, so by the time the beaver starts working on it tonight, I should have this off.